Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Salesforce Marketing Cloud Masterclass by GradX Academy. I am really glad you decided to spend next 1 hour with me today. So before we go ahead, let me ask you something very simple. How many of you received a last one email, one SMS, or one notification today? Might be answer can be means everyone received at least dozens of notification, dozens of emails, dozens of SMSs on their laptop or on their smartphones. So now the most important question is, do you think someone is manually sitting and sending the message to you? The answer is no, of course, right? So we have automation, right? We have means every company puts automation. What you are experienced today is marketing automations. Means ultimately you are receiving everything as a part of marketing automation for the company context. And Salesforce Marketing Cloud is one of the biggest platform behind it. So today's session is not about the definition or the slides that I'm going to present you about the Salesforce Marketing Cloud, right? And the tools and the features. Today's session is about how company actually uses Salesforce Marketing Cloud and how careers are built around it. So I wanted to be clear, very clear from the start, right? It is not about motivational talks. It is not about means how you can earn 30 lakhs package if you are a Salesforce developer. The comparison in between Salesforce developer's salary and Salesforce Marketing Cloud developer's salary. The session, the real session, means today we are going to discuss about what happens in real companies, what skills companies are expecting as a Salesforce Marketing Cloud developers, and whether Salesforce Marketing Cloud is making sense to you or not. It is means if at the end of the session, if you feel Salesforce Marketing Cloud is not for you, the session is also successful for me, right? It is about giving you that clarity about the tool, whether it is good for your career or not, right? So this is all about the Salesforce Marketing Cloud masterclass that we are going to cover. Now, the biggest question is who should attend it? Means if you are working professional, first of all, if you are Salesforce admin or the developer who is looking to switch, if you belong to the digital marketing field, that is, if you are working in the email marketing, right, having a low package, low salary, right. If you are a fresher who has done his masters in marketing and looking out as a great career option for the future, it is about the people who are serious about the career. It is about the those people who are targeting the product based companies, specifically companies like Bajaj Finserv in India, to the companies like JP Morgan, right, to the companies like Dr. Reddy, Glassdoors, right, then all the big four companies, right, then who are looking for the career switching, right. So let's align the expectation for the session, right. This session is not for the people who wants a shortcut, who want success without learning, right, or think that tool will give them a guaranteed job. Just learning a tool will give them a guaranteed job. But if you are a working professional, tired of repetitive work, right, repetitive programs, tired of doing what we can say coding job, right, or repetitive triggers, etc., etc., right, then this is for you, right. If you are a Salesforce admin or developer exploring for the growth, right, a digital marketer who wanted a technical depth in their career and of course financial as well as career growth in the life, or the fresher who wants genuinely build their career, right, skillful career, right, in the tool that the world is using right now, right, then exactly this is what this session is what will be helpful for you, right. So Salesforce Marketing Cloud is a skill first career, not just a luck based career. So you need to have the skills, which is the closed one, right? Means it is not open skill. That is, for example, anyone on the earth can learn Java because it is open source, but this Salesforce Marketing Cloud is the closed career path, as it is not open for learning, right? So this is means if you feel you belong to this kind of people, or if you are one of this particular category, right, then you should attend this session and you should have a clarity about the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. The agenda of what exactly we are covering in the session. Let me quickly walk through what we are covering. Right. First of all, we are going to talk about what Salesforce Marketing Cloud actually is, how companies are using it behind the scenes, real industry use cases you can relate to, the job roles and market reality, and finally, how people are really learn Salesforce Marketing Cloud. I'll also take questions and answers at the end of the session. So please stay till the last slide. Then we are going to have a Q&A, right? That's where the clarity usually happens for every candidate who attend my sessions. Now, let me tell you more about the GradX Academy. A quick note, we are going to discuss about the GradX Academy. GradX Academy, it is an initiative that bringing awareness about the cloud industry, where it is moving, right? We are the EdTech platform where we are having various training programs around the cloud technology, specifically in the Salesforce and ServiceNow domains. We started in 2019 with the one simple thought: industry doesn't hire certifications, industry hires skills. Right. Today we have trained more than 3,000 plus learner. We are working with 150 plus hiring partners. We are delivering both online and offline trainings. We are official Salesforce partner also, right? So that's why you will be getting access to the Salesforce Marketing Cloud, as it is not open like a Salesforce developer instance. The instance is available for the partners only, right? Everything you will hear today is come from real interviews, real classroom, and real company expectation. Our main focus is to deliver industry relevant trainings where your trainers will be industry experts. They are working in the industry somewhere, somehow in the same technology, right? And they are sharing one hand information about the technology to you guys, right? So it is not like a training thing. It is like more of knowledge transfer thing, okay, that you are getting from the experts, right? So this is what we are going to discuss, right? Now next is about me. I'll be the mentor for your batch, right? So now about me mostly because you guys have gone through my LinkedIn and YouTube videos also, right? My name is Shubham Chendre. I'm the founder of GradX Academy and co-founder of Mercury Technology. I have nearly 7 years of experience in the IT, right? More than seven actually. Now it is eight, right? I work with the companies like NVIDIA, Mavenir. I work in the Salesforce and other cloud industries also. I have delivered several projects around the Salesforce Marketing Cloud also, right? I work with the freshers, working professionals, and the corporate teams and hiring managers. So we know the industry, we know the requirement, right? And I catered the syllabus in such a way that, right, industry skills, industry demands will meet our talent, right? So this is about me, about my expertise, right? I have done several trainings in the corporates also. Means I have done a corporate trainings in Sensar, Accenture, right? Cognizant, Hexaware, Globant, Tech Mahindra. About the GradX, right? This is our 10th Salesforce Marketing Cloud batch, right? We have nearly more than 9 batches done already, right? And the upcoming batch will be the 10th batch that we are conducting about the Salesforce Marketing Cloud, right? and I'll be the same person who will be handling that batch. Now let's discuss about the core topic without wasting a time, right? Let's discuss about the core Salesforce Marketing Cloud, right? Now, many people have the question that what exactly Salesforce Marketing Cloud is. Now I'll explain this without technical terms. I'll try to make it very simple for you. Salesforce Marketing Cloud is the platform which helps companies to understand the customers, communicate with the customers, right, and automate those communication, right. Basically, it is not a bulk sending tool. It is simply a automation tool where we are focusing on the marketing needs of the company and how we can automate the delivery of those marketing needs, right. This is sort of Salesforce Marketing Cloud, right. In the simplest way, right, to remember Salesforce Marketing Cloud, this line is very important. Salesforce Marketing Cloud equal to data, personalization, automation, analytics. Let's break it down, right. What is exactly a data? What is exactly a what we can say, what is exactly a personalization, what is exactly automation, what is exactly analytics? Okay, so let's break it down, right. So data means, right, all the data, right, all the centric data of the customer, right, we are gathering, right, and we are using for the unification of the data. Personalization means each and everyone should get a personalized messages, right, should get a personalized response, means how the customer is behaving, according to that the particular user will get a responses. Automations means automatic actions, like for example, consider if we have a repetitive task, right, then we can automate that particular task using the automation. And analytics means, right, we are understanding the behavior, and according to that we are defining the next move, right. So this is what the Salesforce Marketing Cloud is in simple words, right. So let's say, for example, let's say how the Salesforce Marketing Cloud will work in the real time. So let's say you install the food delivery application today. So on the day one, right, you will receive a let's say welcome email, right, and maybe you will receive in the evening, right, 100 rupees coupon code, right. On the day two, right, if you didn't use that particular 100 rupees coupon code, right, you will get a reminder notification on the WhatsApp, right, or the mobile push notification. Mobile push notification is the Zomato notification that is floating on our mobile. Okay, then on the day four, right, if you successfully use that particular coupon, right, directly next week, right, you will receive a 50 rupees coupon, right. And that particular 50 rupees coupon will be based on the cart size, right, means you should purchase these many items, then you will avail the 50 rupees, right, and so on. And like on the day 7, you will receive the personalized offer based on your behavior, how you are purchasing, how you are responding to the previous actions that is been forwarded to you by the company, right. Now the question is simple, right, is someone at Zomato or that food delivery application company is sitting and thinking and tracking you manually? The answer is no, obviously, right. That particular things are done by the Salesforce Marketing Cloud, right. When you signed up, right, automatically you should get a particular email, right. After 6 hours you will get a coupon code. When you clicked, when you ignore, when you purchase, all the actions, means all the when use, right, are being tracked by the company, right. And based on that, it will automatically decides what next message and what next action you need to send, right, means you need to receive, right. So that can be done by the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Okay, right. So SFMC is not about the sending the message only, right. Just remember, right, many people have think SFMC is another a bulk sending tool. No, it is not. It is an automation tool, right. SFMC is not about the sending the message. SFMC is about designing the customer behavior. Okay. Now, so if you can see on the screen, the Salesforce Marketing Cloud, right? This is how the Salesforce Marketing Cloud will look, right? If you can see, right, this is a screenshot of the interface, right? Salesforce Marketing Cloud has various studios like email studio, mobile studio, social studio. Social studio is deprecated, right? Uh, Email studio, mobile studio, advertising studio, web studio, then analytical builder, journey builder, content builder, audience builder, then Einstein, etc., etc. So this particular tools that we are going to understand in the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Salesforce Marketing Cloud has various builder and the studios. Studios are where the things get executed, right? For example, to execute the email marketing, we have email studio. To execute the mobile marketing, we have mobile studio. To execute the, let's say, advertising, right? We have advertising studio. Then to execute the personalization, we have personalization studio. To execute the web pages and create the landing pages and use that landing page, we have a web studio. Then we have analytical builder to just build the analytical reports, right? We have journey builder to build a journey. Then we have automation studio to build automations. Then we have content builder to build various type of content like email, SMS, then let's say push notifications, etc., etc., right? Then we have audience builder to segregate the audience, right, into multiple data extensions or multiple lists, right? So this is the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. This is how this will look, right? And if some peoples are from might be Salesforce, right? So this is totally different than the Salesforce CRM, right? It is actually the Salesforce Marketing Cloud is a different tool than the Salesforce traditional Salesforce. It is not based on the same platform. It is entire different cloud. Okay, so to conclude, right, this screen that you are actually seeing, right, is the Salesforce Marketing Cloud, right? This is where the journey builder we have, right? It think of it like a Google map for the customer, right? Where the customer's journey is defined, right? What path they are taking next, that is been defined in the journey builder. Okay. Now this is all about the what we can say uh, Salesforce Marketing Cloud, the tool, right? Now, the skills, right? Very important skills you will learn in the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. I have shown you the entire, what we can say, interface, right? The interface main tools are defined under the slides, right? So, Journey Builder is for creating the personalization customer journey, right? Like I have explained you about the food delivery app. The email studio is for designing the various designs of emails and executing and tracking of email marketing campaigns. Mobile studio means from the same tool we can do a email as well as mobile, right? To engage the customer through the mobile push notifications or group messaging, we have the mobile studio. For the advertising studio to manage and let's say optimize the advertisings on the platforms like Facebook, Google, YouTube, right? We can perform that ad using the advertising studio. But usually what happens nowadays, advertising studio we are not going to use in real world project, as Salesforce as Facebook and Google has its own platforms to advertise, right? Next is audience studio. Then means audience builder. Actually, we can build multiple data. We can segregate. We can add the filters to the data. We can segment those data, right? In the particular audience studio. Then we have data and analytics, right? Data and analytics tools are used for the robust tracking for the customer behavior, where we analyze the campaign performance, right? Now, means if we talk about the skills that you are getting, because skills decide your salary, right? In Salesforce Marketing Cloud, you are not just learning this particular tools. You will be learn how companies operate, right? Journey builder will teach you the logic behind the customer journey, right? and how the customer behavior is being done, right? Then we have customer flow designing, right, in the journey builder itself. In the, let's say, personalization, we are going to use the personalization in the email studio and the mobile studio. We are going to use the dynamic content and audience tracking in the mobile studio. Specifically, we will be working with the SMS campaigns and push notification, right? In the analytical studio, we are going to track every action of the customer, like who clicked, right, who ignored, right, what worked, what is working, what particular thing is not working, right? So for example, right, this is the entire skill set that we are going to discuss, right, in the particular syllabus. Okay, now this is about the tool, right? This is the tool, right? And this is what we are going to teach you in the particular training, right? But how exactly, right? How exactly, what we can say, these tools are used in the real world companies, right? So, for example, let me give you some brief on how the tools that I have shown you is used in the e-commerce and retail, right? Now, I wanted to everyone to imagine the situation, right? Consider you visit online shopping app, right? You browse some products, you add the item in the cart, right? And then just close the application, right? What is happening, right? This is happening with millions of users every day, right? Now let me ask something very important. Do company just forget about you after that? Means if you just add the products in the cart and just forget, just close the app, right? Will company ignore you? No, right? Of course not, right? The company will send you the same products, right, in the various advertisement, in the form of various advertisement, right? Like, you will see the ads of same products on the social media. You will see the ads of, let's say, same product on the email, right? You will see, let's say, ads of same product on YouTube, right? Everywhere, means, with on the email, on the push notifications, you will see the same application, a same ad, right? And this is happening with millions of customers, right? So we can say that, right, all the things are being designed, right, in such a way that with the help of this particular tool, right, so that, right, for the millions of customers, right, every customer has different items in the cart, right, but they are having that automation, right? That particular, they are, means, companies are creating a FOMO, right, that this product is limited, right, please proceed your order, and so on, right, and sending the email, right, on our particular emails, right? This is how happening this, right? This is happening because of the Salesforce Marketing Cloud tool, right? So from the company's point of view, right, there are three major problems. Problem number one, right, user ultimately sign in, right? User sign in, right, but did not purchase, right? The user will ultimately, problem number two is, right, high amount of abandoned carts, right? Then low repeat purchase. These are the three problems of e-commerce company, right? The solution is step by step. Let me explain you solution, right? So step number one is, right, the moment the new user signed up, right, automatically, right, some particular automation will capture the data about the new sign up, right, and automatically it will trigger the new SMS or new, let's say, email to that particular customer. Means customer will receive automatically new email. How this is happening? This is happening because of the automation, because millions of customers are on daily basis signing up. Okay, then after that, after few, what we can say, few items adding in the cart, right? If that cart is untouchable for, let's say, 6 7 hours, right, customers will start receiving the emails, right? So this is also this can be done by abandoned cart email plus SMS journey, right? We can handle that particular thing with the help of journey, right? So the main thing is, right, no human tracks this manually, means for the millions of customers, right, no human, right, can particularly, right, track the action of the customers, right? This entire thing is the flow, right? And that is designed once by the Salesforce Marketing Cloud developer, and then it will run for the millions of customers automatically, right? This is a single use case, right, alone justify the salary range that Salesforce Marketing Cloud developer will be getting, because it is handling entirely, means this particular automation is handling entirely a million of customer at once, right? And this is saving a lot of money, right, for the company, right? So that's why this skills is very important. Okay, right? Am I clear now? Next is we have then banking and finance insurance case study, right? Very important, right? The banking companies faces problems like low customer engagement, too many manual follow-ups, right? Poor cross sales and upsells, right? Imagine a bank with 10 lakhs of customers, right? Can relationship manager personally track everyone? Of course, it is impossible task to track everyone. For the 100 customer only, right? One relationship manager cannot track, right? And for 10 lakh customers, right? It is not possible, right? Now here, the Salesforce Marketing Cloud solution will come, right? A customer opens a bank account automatically. He will start receiving the onboarding journey, like welcome email, account usage tips, right? App download reminders, right? Then SFMC will track the behavior, right? Like credit card offers, right? Based on the data of the customer, right? It will receive a loan offers, insurance add-ons, right? And then, right, automatically, right, if a customer purchase the insurance, then reminders will be sent automatically before the policy expires. This will ultimately reduce the efforts for the bank, right, or the insurance company, right? So if you ever received a policy reminder or loan eligibility message or credit card offer, there is a chance that company is using the Salesforce Marketing Cloud or similar platform, right, to trigger it, right? Because no one is going to just manually do and execute everything, right? So this is very important, right? Now I wanted to I want you to notice one simple thing amongst the two examples that I have given you. In both e-commerce and banking and financial insurance company, right? The Salesforce Marketing Cloud professional are just not sending the emails; they are designing the business processes, right? And they are automating the business needs of the company, right? This is why Salesforce Marketing Cloud roles are critically important in the business, right? They have a high level of responsibility and very well paid. If you compare the salary, you will find that particular difference, right? Now that you have seen how company use Salesforce Marketing Cloud, let's talk about the job opportunities that we have in the Salesforce Marketing Cloud, right? So basically, sales industry. If you just think about the industry's perspective, right? Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Salesforce Marketing Cloud is actively used in the retail e-commerce, right? Banking, finance, insurance, right? SaaS and other products company, telecom and media, and healthcare and education, right? Now you have seen a real-time use case. As I have shown you the two use cases earlier, the next logical question is where you are getting the opportunity, right? Salesforce Marketing Cloud is not limited to one particular kind of company, right? Means you will get a exposure around multiple industries, right? So it is actively used in retail and e-commerce, right? Banking, finance, insurance, SaaS, then telecom, media, healthcare, right? uh, Healthcare, right? Education also, right? Now simply let me simplify the industries, right? Any company that has the customers, repetitive interactions, right, and marketing budgets, right, they will need a Salesforce Marketing Cloud, right? And all the companies, all the Fortune 500 companies are using the Salesforce Marketing Cloud, by the way. Okay, right? So this is all about the Salesforce Marketing Cloud, the industries which are actively using the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Now, let me give you a relatable example. Think about this, right? For example, a hospital, right? Hospital send appointment reminder, right? Health checkup campaigns. So there is a repetitive engagement, right? So healthcare can be a good industry for Salesforce Marketing Cloud implementation. Second is education platforms, right? They will update the course, right? Payment reminder, enrollments, then re-enrollments, right? Fees payment reminder, installments reminder, etc., etc., right? So this means, think of the industry who has a customer, right, who has a repetitive interaction, right? All the companies who are fulfilling those criteria, right, are the industries, right, actively using the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Let me show you some Indian companies example, right, which are using the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Some Salesforce Marketing Cloud case studies we are going to discuss, right? So let me just go to the Salesforce website. So this is the Salesforce website. Now, anyone is curious about the Salesforce website, right? They must visit this website frequently. They will get all the update about the Salesforce product here only. Okay. So I will check some Salesforce Marketing Cloud customers, right? Who are the customers using the Salesforce Marketing Cloud, right? So let me just go to the customer stories, right? Perfect, right? Now I will filter by product, right? Here we have multiple products. In these multiple products, I will just simply check the agent force marketing, which is the renamed version of Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Okay, so so if you can see JK Super Cement, Dr. Reddy, Tata Motors, right, Ambuja, Genpack, right, then Size Skills, right, then we have Eduvance, right, ISB, right. If you can see, right, the similar industry that I have shown you, right, then Royal Enfield, right, then we have HCG, right, then it is a hospital, by the way, right, Clear, right, Spotify, TVS, Kalpataru, Bajaj Finance, right, Electric, L&T Electric, Mahindra, right, then we have House of Anita Dongre, right? Then Laika, right? These are the Indian companies. As I am on the Indian website of the Salesforce, right? If you wanted to see the global companies who are using the Salesforce Marketing Cloud, right? You can just switch to any region, right? And just check. Okay, so these are some case studies of Salesforce Marketing Cloud, right? Now, let's talk honestly about the competition, right? Let's discuss about why anyone should learn Salesforce Marketing Cloud in 2026, right? So today Salesforce admin and developer role are very popular, right? Means it is very crowded, right? But SFMC is different, guys, right? There are far fewer skilled Salesforce Marketing Cloud professionals in the market, so we can say that demand is high, right, and supply is low, right? So if you think of the competition, right, we can say that competition is drastically lower than the other Salesforce domains, right? If we compare this with Salesforce admin and developer, the Salesforce market means, if you go to the market, right, and you will do a market research, right, 10 out of 1 is the availability for the Salesforce Marketing Cloud developer, okay, right now, right? So this is the imbalance, right? Next is you have you know that Salesforce Marketing Cloud is a low coding job, right? Another important reason, right, why everyone should go with the Salesforce Marketing Cloud, it is not that what we can say heavy coding or heavy programming job, right? It is about the logic, obviously, automation, understanding the customer behavior, more of business flow, right? More of customer journeys, right? This makes Salesforce Marketing Cloud suitable for non-coders who don't wanted to do the coding, right? And light coders also, because there are few programming needs that are there in the Salesforce Marketing Cloud, right? People who enjoy thinking or means and planning and executing, right, the marketing related things, right? uh, who can brainstorm the things, right? They can just learn Salesforce Marketing Cloud without writing the programs, right? Means there is very low code that is required in the Salesforce Marketing Cloud, right? uh, Simply, right, your brain matters more than the coding syntax, right, in the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Okay, now the next is we have a market reality, right? Now if you talk about these two reasons, right? Now, as we all know, low supply, there is low supply in the market right now, right, about Salesforce Marketing Cloud, and high demand. If you talk about learning the Salesforce Marketing Cloud, there are limited trainers or limited training facilities available for the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So if you think in the Pune, right, we are the only one, right, who is providing the Salesforce Marketing Cloud, because the platform is not open to everyone, right? Means if the institute wanted to start having the courses or having the training for the Salesforce Marketing Cloud, they cannot, because of the org access availability, right? Org access is restricted from the Salesforce, right? Salesforce partner will only get the org access, right? And that's why, right, there is limited learning initiatives, right, also in the market, right? So next is fewer expert, right? As we know, low demand, low supply, right, versus high demand, right? If you compare with admin and developers, right, Salesforce Marketing Cloud experts are limited. And the last is companies are preferring the experienced Salesforce Marketing Cloud talent, right? So many people wanted to learn the Salesforce Marketing Cloud, but very few are getting the hands-on experience, hands-on exposure. All the video content or the courses that you are going to go and search on the YouTube or any other learning platform, they are not coming with the org access, and hands-on experience is very important here. Okay, right. Next is very important. Very important thing I wanted to discuss, right? Because this because of this because of this market reality, companies are preferring the candidates with real understanding, not just a theoretical knowledge, right? They ask the question like how you build that particular journey, right? What are the steps of that journey, right? How you implement the AMP script, right? How do you understand the multiple types of data extension? Do you understand the segregation of the data, right? Can you explain us a real time use case about that particular thing, right? So this is how the particular interview scenarios will be built. Means no one will ask you the definition um, in the interview, right? Everyone will ask you about the scenario, right? So we can say that interviews are mainly a skill driven, not a simply definition based. Okay, so and here we are going to discuss about the what we can say job opportunities that we are going to apply to after the finishing of the training, right? Now everyone of you understand how Salesforce Marketing Cloud is used in the real company. Let's talk about the job roles, and because of roles you will be deciding your path, right? So in Salesforce Marketing Cloud, right, in our course, whatever course we have been designed, right, we have the syllabus that is covering these many roles, right? Salesforce Marketing Cloud developer, second is email specialist, Third is Salesforce Cloud Specialist, specifically a marketing cloud, Salesforce Marketing Cloud Expert, right? And a personalization developer, right? Then we have a Salesforce consultant and SFMC support engineer, right? So these are some roles, right, that you could look for, right, in the future. Okay, and each role is little different. More of the title will be same, right, but the roles and responsibilities are aligned to each other, right? It is not like email specialist and let's say Salesforce Marketing Cloud expert will do work in the different tools. No, tool is a simple, tool is a same, right? Just and responsibilities will be different. Okay, right? So these are the job roles that you can apply, right? Now, what is the syllabus that we are going to cover, which is covering these many roles, right? Now, let me just simply write down the syllabus by myself, right? So let me write down the syllabus, guys, right? So this is the syllabus that we are planning for the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So the syllabus will contain a cloud computing. The first topic that we are going to discuss is cloud computing, as Salesforce Marketing Cloud is a cloud computing platform, right? After that, it is covering a several email marketing or email studio. All the things in the email studios will be covered, right? Then we have mobile studio, right? Mobile studio, right? As the few things are mobile in the mobile studio are based on the application which we need to host on the app exchange, or let's say play store or app store, right? So that cannot be done. So I'll be sharing you a PDF of the steps, right? So in the mobile studio, right, we will be exploring about the mobile push notification, mobile push, mobile group, mobile connect, right, and group connect. Mobile push is for the push notification, mobile connect is for the SMS and MMS notifications, MMS marketing, right, and group connect is for the messenger application. Then we will be learning about A/B testing also, right? Then after that, we will be learning about the automation studio, right? Journey builder, right? In the automation studio, journey builder, right? We have a requirement about the SQL, right? AMP script, right? Then SSJS, right? After that, we will be implementing few projects, right? There are two main projects that we are going to deliver to you, right? So projects are nothing but the things that is being done, because as we all know, right, Salesforce Marketing Cloud is a marketing tool, right? Means if we are going to perform the marketing, right, then we are going to get a results, right? So we cannot perform the project, right? We will be reading the case studies, right, and explain that case studies in the in the project section in the interview, right? So we are going to cover two projects. First is airline domain project, right, and second will be e-commerce e-commerce domain project. Along with this, right, we will be learning about data views, right? Then we will be learning about I forget one thing actually, email studio, mobile studio, right? Web studio, right? Then analytical studio, audience builder, audience right? Contact builder, content builder, right? So these are sort of syllabus, right? Now, if you wanted to compare the syllabus with different trainings, right, you can just go to GradX Academy's website. You can just go to Salesforce Marketing Cloud, right? And here we have a syllabus, entire syllabus that you can just go ahead and compare, right? Everything is given on this particular syllabus. What we are going to what we are going to cover, what is not there, right, in the syllabus, etc., etc. Okay, right. Along with this, right, means the training will come with the placement assistance also. So just hold. Placement assistance, right? In the placement assistance, we will be having real resume building, right? Mock interviews, right? Interview guidance, how to explain the scenario, what could be a ask scenario, right, etc., etc. Third, question banks, right? Then use cases. We will be sharing you use cases. So what used to happen, guys, on every Friday, right, after a month, right, we are going to arrange the test for you, right? In that test, you need to perform the things, right? So that will cover the use case, industry wise use case, right? Next, after that, there will be Naukri profile building, right? There will be LinkedIn profile building, right? And there will be uh, GradX job alerts also, where our partner hiring partners job alerts will be delivered to you. There you can apply with our hiring partners also, right? So these are the things that are there in the placement assistance, right? Now this course, right, comes with the placement assistance, right? The fee structure for the course is will be, right, if you wanted to learn online, it will be 45,000. And if you wanted to learn offline in the Pune on our learning center, we have 55,000. Okay, fine. And along with this, right, means if you still did not get a job with the placement assistance, right, then we have a placement program also along with that, like placement, or we call it a premium placement program, where we will be so actually why placement doesn't happen, there are three four major reasons, right after that, right, you will be lacking in the skill, first reason. Second reason will be you are not getting the calls. Third reason will be, right, you will be getting rejected in the screening only, right? So there are three reasons, right? These three reasons we are going to tackle in this premium placement program, where we will be teaching you HR sessions, right? Then domain knowledge, domain knowledge, right? Then we will be covering some more use cases, right? Then there will be mock interviews, multiple mock interviews, weekly mock interviews will be there, right? So these mock interviews are limited, right? But these mock interviews will you'll access until you get placed, right? Means there will be regular mock interviews and feedback, right, up to you get placed, right? Then there will be guidance, or there will be daily basis guidance and what hand holding, right? And after that, right, we will be assign you a placement manager who can who you can just connect and discuss your problems while you are in the placement, right? And this particular thing will be totally, right, offline at GradX center. Okay, and you need to means this particular thing, right, will be covered at a special observations, right? Means it is not like you just take a admission and that's it, right? You'll be kept in the special observations, where where there will be hand holding until you get placed. And this, if you need this, right, you need to pay extra, right? But not right now, right? When you are not getting a placement, right? After completing the course also, right? Means first do the training, right? Just go in the market, right? Search for the job, right? Just apply for the interviews, right? If you are still struggling and didn't get it, did not get any job, right, after 2 3 months of course completion also, then opt for this. This will be charged separately. Okay, this is not part of the program, right? Am I clear? So no, guys. Segmentation will be there. So let me have some questions, right? Uh, any questions, guys? Right, there is no questions in the chat box.
Hello.
Yes, please go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
yeah, I'm able to hear you.
Sir, who will be the instructor from start to end of this course?
I'll be the instructor for this course. Along with me for the mock interviews and other kind of support and help, there will be one more instructor. I'll be teaching you entire syllabus. Total duration
Okay.
of course will be, so let me write down here, right? Duration is, let's say, 2.5 months plus 15 days buffer. Means you can consider it 3 months. Yes. Next question, guys. I'll be teaching you. Sorry. As a 10 year, it will be useful for switch. For the 10 years experience guy, if you wanted to jump to the different role, right? And if so, I see this question, right, guys? If you wanted to scale up your salary, right, then you should do Salesforce Marketing Cloud, because many people having a 10 years of experience are not earning that much, right? Might be, means many people are earning 15, 20, 25 lakhs, right? But you just search how much Salesforce Marketing Cloud, right, expert will get after 10 years of experience, right? How many hours of training you will do, right? So actually it is nearly what we can say, regularly 1 hour a day, right? Plus I'll assign you few tasks on daily basis. I have worked as a sales using Sales Cloud, but I'm thinking to switch sales to Marketing Cloud. Please suggest. Yeah, you can do, Yogendra. You can do switch, but remember just one single thing. Salesforce and Salesforce Marketing Cloud is totally different thing, right? It is not the same platform. Actually, this is not a sorry. Salesforce Marketing Cloud is a different platform only, right? So actually, thing is what, as we all know, is acquiring a multiple product. In 2016, they acquired a company called Exact Target, and they renamed it as a Salesforce Marketing Cloud, right? And that particular tool we are going to learn, right? So so if you wanted to learn, your experience will be counted as means Salesforce experience, right, will be counted, but you need to focus more into this tool, right? Means the task and everything will be different. Working will be different. How AI or chat GPT especially can be
Shubham, I,
managed.
I have a question. Sorry. Can I ask?
Yeah.
Yeah. So how is this different from Marketo or let's say
Uh,
HubSpot? Like how is it different or better from
yeah.
them?
So Marketo and the Salesforce Marketing Cloud are the competitors basically. About the HubSpot, we cannot automate. Means there is automation, there is a limitation in automation in terms of HubSpot. In the Salesforce Marketing Cloud we can do anything, right? So if you search also, the companies who are using the HubSpot, right, are not that big, right? But Salesforce Marketing Cloud is used by various companies who has a immense budget, right? Because the one single instance of Salesforce Marketing Cloud will cost a company nearly 25 lakhs a year, right? So they will not, obviously they will not what we can say, they will not use by the small companies, right? And Marketo, if we compare SFMC with the Marketo, right? Marketo and SFMC are tough competitors, right? Means both are the market leaders.
Thank you,
Means-
Shubham.
yeah.
So, sir, I have
Yes.
a question.
Yeah, please.
Sir, is this domain going to survive in the next like 15 to 20 years?
Salesforce,
Salesforce,
you are asking me
yeah,
about the
marketing cloud.
Salesforce.
Salesforce Marketing Cloud
So,
means, is it safe to choose this as a career for the next 15 to 20
so
years?
actually, you need to what we can say, you need to update yourself. Means you cannot survive next, let's say, 20 years with the help of same tool, right? There are multiple iterations coming, right? There are tools called Salesforce Marketing Cloud Next, Salesforce Marketing Cloud Growth, right? So then we have a B2B commerce cloud, right? Then we have a Paradot, right? All the things, right? You need to learn along with this you will get, means after learning this particular single tool you will get job right now, right? But for the next switch might be the tool will means need to upgrade.
Excellent.
Yeah. So how AI or chat GPT especially can be used effectively in work here? Can you show one test case? So actually, simply we can write down the amp scripts and the logical thing, right? In the means if you know the amp script, right, we can write entire amp script using the chat GPT, right? But means generally, right, while learning I do not recommend you to go with the chat GPT. Of course it will be difficult, it will be beneficial, right? Chat GPT and AI. Do we get access to SFMC org while training? Yeah. So you will be getting access to org for nearly 5 months, right? 5 or 6 months, right? For the 3 months during your training and after 3 months. Yes. I'll be providing a org access.
So will it be a limited access or complete full access without any restriction?
Limited access. So as we will get a learning access from the Salesforce, not a complete access.
Learning access means there will be limitations to
Yes,
sending mails, number of mails, or
yes.
number of
There will
projects.
be, yes, there will be limitations.
Okay. So you will also teach data cloud because ChatGPT is showing you should also have
No, actually,
SFMC plus data cloud in 2026.
so data cloud is not part of the syllabus as I shown you a syllabus sheet, right? And here
Yes.
also, right? Data cloud, we have a separate course, right? If you wanted to join that too, right, you can join. It is not included here in the SFMC.
So can we get a job without data cloud? Means only SFMC with SFMC knowledge.
Yeah, you will get a job, right, without data cloud also, right? There is no means mandatory thing.
Hello.
Yeah.
I'm working in code emailing. That experience counts in SFMC.
Where you are working?
In code emailing means email marketing.
Email marketing. Okay.
Yes.
So might be your designation is digital marketer, right?
Yeah, email marketing specialist.
Yeah, it will be counted as a
But I have not worked on Salesforce.
no.
I,
So
I
what
work
what
on
we
different
will
tools.
be what we will be doing, right?
Yes.
We are just keeping that documentation, right?
Mhm.
And we will be updating your resume as you worked on the tool Salesforce Marketing Cloud, and then you will be applying.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, one last question. Sir, what is the chance of getting a direct abroad job with visa sponsorship after getting some experience in India?
There are, so right now the situation of tariffs and all means we can't say means how it will be, but there are lots of job opportunities in abroad also, right? If you have the visa, right? Or if company is offering you on-site role, there will be lots of roles, right? Lot of people are moving abroad using SFMC. You can just Google it, right? Means go to the Glassdoor, you will find.
That's it. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Any other doubt, guys? Okay. Thank you. Yeah. So guys, if you have any kind of difficulties other than uh, means any kind of career difficulty, these are WhatsApp number on my screen. Means you can connect them and discuss it. Or if you wanted to talk to me, right? You can just mm, contact on the number that is on our screen right now, and just they will connect your call with me. Okay, thank you. That's it for today. I hope your problems and the difficulties about Salesforce Marketing Cloud and the tool, how we can create a career in Salesforce Marketing Cloud, right, is solved, right? And means if you have anything to discuss, right, you can just contact on this number. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a nice and wonderful weekend.